Vanakkam to all of you. Vanakkam to people of Puducherry, and I bring Vanakkam from Sri Arvind Kejriwal, our national convener, and Delhi CM to people of Puducherry. Friends, today I'm here to announce certain important developments. The good governance which Aam Aadmi Party has brought in Delhi has become talk of the world, whether it be education or it be healthcare or it be power sector or it be water sector or it be security concerns for the women, free bus ride, secured bus rides, and many important measures which Arvind Kejriwal government in Delhi has taken, and that has become talk of not only the country, it has become talk of the world. And I come from that state today to Puducherry to announce certain important decisions. In the recently held elections, BJP somehow poached other parties and used its muscle to make a government after a lot of things which were not in the constitutional interest. In fact, the recent phenomenon of 3 MLAs nominated, I was very concerned. I was discussing with few who's who of Puducherry, and this provisions of 3 MLAs which get nominated from the center is a serious threat to federal structure as envisioned by the Constitution. There is no basis, there is no characteristics as defined in the nomination processes which we follow in the Rajya Sabha. It is just whims and fancy of the central government, due to which central government exercises some unconstitutional control over Puducherry government. I remember that a lot of people who had come from BJP had told to people of Puducherry that once they vote for BJP, they'll have double engine ki sarkar. Now, what has happened to double engine ki sarkar? Puducherry continues to be in debt. Over 9,000 crores debt is there in Puducherry, and it's in deep crisis. Unemployment is at the highest today. The youth are looking for jobs. Jobs are not there. So I don't see anything being done by the central government in the interest of Puducherry. Aam Aadmi Party is determined to take up this issue of 3 nominated MLAs, which is threatening the stability of the governments in Puducherry and is also a threat to federal structure as envisioned in the Constitution by none other than Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. In the constitutional provisions as envisioned by the founding fathers, there are 3 tiers of governance. One is municipality or panchayat, and then the state, and then the center. I'm amazed and dismayed that this 3rd level governance, which is local body election, local body, in last 52 years, this is going to be the 3rd election only. Right?
Yes, correct. Yes.
So first was 1968.
Yes.
Then after 38 years after 2006, second election held. 2006. And now it's being held after almost 14 years. Why the delay? The local governance is very important to the constitutional provision. So why this delay? And I have learned that still the delay is further being caused. It's being further pushed. So who is afraid of people's mandate in the local governance? It's not very difficult to guess. Aam Aadmi Party condemns any further delay in this local body election in Puducherry. And we demand that local body election be held as per the schedule announced recently by the State Election Commission. Aam Aadmi Party is fully prepared. I'm glad to announce that Aam Aadmi Party is fully prepared to participate in the local body election with all its might, with all the power, with all the respect at its command from the people of Puducherry. We in the past, I've been here for last 22 hours now. I have met fishermen, I have met other artisans, I have met other people who have been deprived of their legitimate demands. And I am here to announce that the fishermen community, artisans community, anybody who has been deprived of their legitimate dues will all be supported with all its might at its command by Aam Aadmi Party. Friends, I'm this moment sitting with one of the most loved one leader, Mr. Jagannath. And likewise, I invite every like-minded organizations, individuals to come forward, and we will give the platform to voice their concerns, to become a part of democratic process, to contest these municipalities and commune panchayat elections. It's an open call to all good people to get together, to come under one umbrella and contest in the interest of people of Puducherry. We have got no other interest but to serve the people of Puducherry who have been deprived of their legitimate dues for long. I would like Mr. Jagannath to say few words on the same. Thank you. Forefront of spearheading honest politics in the country. We have been, this moment, as I speak, there are severe campaign going on in Goa, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and we are almost, I would not be saying with exact military accuracy, but then Punjab, Goa, Uttarakhand, as well as Gujarat, and to a great extent Uttar Pradesh will be giving us very, very good results. It's already in the media, which is highlighted in major mainstream media, that Punjab is giving us firm government with huge sweeping majority. Puducherry, we were all determined to contest in 2016, if you recall.
2021.
2016 first.
Yeah.
Right? When then that time rain took place, the heavy rain took place, which had disastrous effects on everything, including elections. That's why we were all determined to contest that time election. Subsequently, things have developed, but this time, because we have targeted across the country that local body elections being closest to the people's hearts need to be targeted first. So here, I'm to announce with the instructions of Aam Aadmi Party central leadership that Aam Aadmi Party will be fully participating in the local body elections in Puducherry. Certain more things, because Puducherry has been in discussion for one more reason. You kindly recall, Honorable CM Shri Arvind Kejriwal ji had come last time also to support Puducherry government when they were interfered heavily by the LG office. Because Puducherry and Delhi, they are being mistreated, unconstitutionally treated, being treated against the people's mandate in Delhi as well as in Puducherry by the BJP government. And that why it was not to support Congress government, it was to support that spirit of democracy which warrants that people's mandate should be respected. If there is an elected government at Puducherry, that needs to be given importance that needs to given its due. LG must not intervene, and we had come that time not to support Congress government but to support this democratic spirit. So this I want to, because a lot of people who are creating confusion in Puducherry. We were not here to support Congress government at all. We were here to support that time democratic spirit with which people vote for a government. And the same is happening in Delhi. Friends, as you know, Aam Aadmi Party is in politics not in the sense of other political parties. We are here to gather good people. We are here to gather people and allow them to use the platform of Aam Aadmi Party in the interest of the people of Puducherry. And that is why this press conference today is to invite, to give a call to all like-minded organizations, individuals who want a true pro-people local government in Puducherry, which is being held after a gap of 15 years, 14, 15 years in Puducherry. And what I foresee that still political parties are trying their best to avoid this election, which is not in the good interest of constitutional provisions. That's my message today.